everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are going to stop, I think it's 186. Let's count. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 89, 86, 87, 88. So in here has my husband's money that he won from cards, from playing cards. Us locals, we love to play cards. That's total $60, and he gave me $3.52. His 52 cents went into this already, and it's in here. And his leftover, let's see if I take it out. Nope. And then he has $5 in here that's gonna go towards his $5 challenge. I'll show you after. But anyways, so let's separate this. Ones, fives, tens, and 50. So let's take out his. So this is his. Yes, that's his name. His 5, and let's replace it with $25. Don't mind my hands. Yeah. Let's put this one right there. Did I add? Yeah, I did. Okay. So mine's on. I need to add. So we're gonna put 20. Mine is always gone. Because I'm always treating my grandkids. They always go to the chronic store. We call it the chronic store by their house. Don't laugh, okay? It's just a store that's all bust up on the outside. That's all. And yes, I'm getting over my nervousness. My granddaughter told me, "Grandma, just be yourself." I said, "Yeah, but the people are not gonna like Grandma be herself. If she try to talk regular English, I cannot. I mean, I can, I think. I'm not sure. But anyways, let's get back into it. So, we're not doing my business binder. I think we are, but I'm not sure. So, we're doing this one. We're doing challenges. He wanted me to put all the money into challenges because he wanted to see if it can grow faster. So, we're going to try it. So we're going to put $3 into this one. So that's 1, 2, 3. He already marked his 3. Okay, he already marked them. So with this one, oh, sorry, keep on putting them on the other side. Can't see, yeah. There. So this one is, you have to find the balloons, all the hidden balloons. So how I did it was circle, because all the balloons, some is light, some is dark. So all you do is add $1 to $10 in here. So it's whatever amount you want to put in there, and at the end you just count how much money you saved, and that's it. I made it easy and simple, because I like things simple, not hard. So, but anyways, Bertie's not getting, oh yeah, this is the one he is want to try. Okay, so this one is Watch Your Garden Grow. So he's putting in, he marked it $20. So just mark how much you're going to put inside each. So this is his 20. So this one is done. Yeah, so I need to give me a new one. I don't like when it's, you know, like close. It sucks. I guess the magnet worn out. Okay, let's get this, you know, it's the family one. This is the family binder. We're going to make it rain. So make it rain. Let's see how much we're going to put in here. I don't have enough. 22. So let's put just $10. So we're going to mark off 10. So let's see how much Mickey Rain has. All he has his eye on this one. There's 50, 70, 80, 85, 90, $95 so far. Okay, so what changed? As you can see, no more the dollar challenge here. He put all the dollar challenges into this one. I let him go because that's him. Okay, so his $5 is gonna go in here. He already marked it. So I'm thinking I'm gonna add, you know what? We're gonna add 15. So with this challenge, you have to look for all the hidden Shibais. So there's 5, 10, and no, he already has the 15 over there. As you can see, you can either use your nails and take them off. Easy, right? So I like the whoever came up with laminating the thing, smart. You can always reuse this. So we're adding 15. So now that challenge has let's see, 20, 30, 35, 40. So he marked it off and he said, you better put my 20 in there, yeah. So this is 20. So this is the Candy Fun Challenge. Candy Fun Challenge will be up, but it won't be with this one because I ran out of this lamination thing. So I got the odd one, but it will be printed on cardstock. But anyways, yeah. So let's see how much he has. It's 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 56, $57. So he marked it, and that's what was left. Forget. I told him to mark them because I won't forget which one was left. But I think it was this. That's 15. And 20, 25. And that, yeah, 30. This has how much? We're getting a kick out of this one. When I showed it to him, he said, "That's all you. That's all you, Rob." I said, "I know." But I told him, I wish the thing said bitch on it because, yeah. Because I'm always saying bitch. But everything you got, when you say bitch, it's associated as bad. But you know what? I use bitch in a way where it's funny. So like me and my sister that passed away, we used to call each other bitch because when we started our TikTok together, had this one lady, she would always, I don't know, she did her TikToks about bitch, or oh my god, it's a bitch, or some, some kind of thing. So that's what our thing was to each other. What's she doing, bitch? So that's our thing. So if you don't like swearing or anything, don't follow my thingy, because this is how I am. This is me. And I do say bitch a lot. I love the word. I'm not afraid of it. It doesn't associate with fighting like some stupid people associate it with. Girl, please. You can use bitch in a nice way and not offend anybody. But if they feel offended, they get issues, okay? But anyways, thank you. So yeah, so he has, shoot, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 $90. Good game. Budget with Carly. She did a good job. But I did make one. I cannot wait till you guys see it. Okay, at 50, we have $50 left. And that is going, update. This one I had to take out $200 because I'm going to open up my shop. And some of my lip gloss supplies is low, so I have to order. And yes, I get my bottles from Amazon because it's cheap. Whoever told you opening up a lip gloss business is only $100, they lie. Okay, they lie big time. But anyways, let's move on. We're not stuffing bills. We're not doing medical. We're doing Christmas. So Christmas is getting the 50. I wrote the wrong date down. I gotta write the date. So we're gonna add. Yeah, we added 10. He put 10 this morning. I didn't know he put $10 in there. But then just put the 10 in whatever. So I'm putting 50, so that becomes 110. No, 100. 100. Yeah. So then where did he put his 10 then? Because this already has 60 and 50 in it, so that becomes 10. Oh. Yeah, we're going to cross this out. But anyways, yeah, so whatever. So now it has 50, 70, 90, 100. Christmas. Better find that 10 because he's put in here. but later on. I'll go find it later. But anyways, yeah. So this is me. I finally got over my thing. I'm getting comfortable. It's just the placement of how to put this. You know, the stand to make it where it's good and it's not in your face, bam, bitch, like, you know. But yeah. So anyways, forgive me for always using that word. I love that word. You can call me bitch if you like. I don't care. You can call me Mary, Myrna, Ursula, whatever you want to call me. That's me. But anyways, happy Father's Day. You guys have a good Father's Day. My husband already opened his gift this week. Anything else, Rob? Let's see. I do ramble a lot, but everybody else does. Everybody does. But anyways, be humble and please like and follow, and please check out my shop. Okay, because I'm really nervous with my medical stuff because my medical things is coming up pretty soon. And yeah, but that I keep to myself. So please don't ask about my medical things. Okay? Because I'm not going to share. But anyways, I do love this budgeting thing. I think it's the girl. What is Baddies and Budgets? You know, she's kind of, she has her own shop. She made it into a business. That girl. I think you guys know who that girl is. And from watching her video that one time, she made it look fun and easy and simple and not be afraid of your debt. But that's going to be in another video. But you guys have fun. See you guys later. Make sure you guys go to the beach. Saltwater out.